Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today's video is the 5th week of Love Your Home Challenge, and we are to gather 5 bags of clothes to donate to our local Goodwill, to our anywhere you want to donate clothes to. And I am in my boys' rooms today, and I will be clearing out their closet and going through and seeing what they can't fit. And my daughter already went through her room, and both of my girls went through their room, so I will already have their bags bagged up. So now I'm going through my boys' room, and 4 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I went through my closet. So we should have probably more than a total of 5 bags. So if this seems like something you are interested in watching, please keep on watching. And if you are not aware of the Love Your Home Challenge, it is hosted by Marilyn at Cozy Lifestyle Living. I will have her link down below. If you are new to my channel, I love to welcome you. And if you are an existing subscriber, you know I appreciate your continuous support. And if you have not yet subscribed, why not subscribe? It is free 99. So let's get into this video. Okay, everyone, we are back. I have cleaned out the boys' closet. We have toys, as well as 2.5, 3.5 bags, we'll say 4 bags of clothing from the 3 rooms. Then we have shoes that we will be donating, and yeah, we even have a fish tank. So this will conclude the video for the week. All right, guys, as I was saying, we have our donated bags in the hallway. I have decluttered my boys' room. They are home now, so I am being kicked out. So with that being said, thank you for stopping by. Please check out the playlist. Please go over to Marilyn's channel. I have both linked down below. Please watch everyone's video. And we thank you for coming over and checking out Love Your Home 2023. Our 5th week now, 5 weeks. And we just thank you for participating by your views as well as your uploading videos. And with that being said, please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you very next time I upload. Bye-bye.